Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS position. And right now we'll be discussing about the position fixed in HTML CSS. So an element with position fixed is positioned relative to the viewport, which means it always stays in the same place even if the page is scrolled to the top. Is scrolled. The top right, bottom and left properties are used to position the element. A fixed element does not leave a gap in the page where it would normally have been located. So once again, a fixed element does not leave a gap in the page where it would normally have been located. Notice the fixed element in the lower right corner of the page. Here is the example. So I'm going to show you here is the CSS that is used. So I'm going to show you how this fixed position works. So back to our document right here. As you can see, we are having this element right now. I want to do some things and I want us to focus this. So let's say for instance now I'm having our let me see the element we're having this element, this fixed element, everything is inside here. So I just want to control this. I want to enlarge the fixed element so that it can get bigger. So for instance now I can give it height. Let me give it height of 2000 pixel. When I give it height of 2000 pixel, let's load it reflect. Now it's reflecting. Now we are able to see this ruler, right? Now we are able to see this ruler. So by seeing this ruler, I don't want this legend element to move, or I don't want, if I don't want this anchor tag right here, I don't want it to shift, or I don't want this div element, this our box, I don't want it to move to the top. I just want it to be at the fixed position there. So let's see if it's going to work. Let's see what will happen to our document now. Let's say for instance now previously we use this position relative. Now let's change this to position fixed. When I give it fixed and save our document, now let's reload. When I reload now, can you see now if we drag this thing, when we drag this ruler from the left hand side right here, we will always see this our box because we have gave it position fixed. So let's say we want it to shift from that place to another. Maybe we like it to be 100. Let's say for instance 100 pixel. When we give it 100 pixel, let's reload. We want it to be around this area, right? But no matter how, if we drag this our other element, we will always be able to see our, no matter how you use the ruler, we will always be able to see our div element because we gave it position fixed. That's what I want you to note right here. Let's say for instance we give it 80 pixel. Let's reload our document. It will shift to this level, right? But we are able to see, but we are not able to see, we won't be able to see all this first element right here and this second one, but we'll be able to see the div element because we have specified position fixed here. Can you see? No matter where we kept it, even if we shift it to the right, let's say we shift it from the left to the right, let's give it 100 pixel from the left to the right, 100 pixel. Let's reload. Can you see now when I drag, can you see we are still able to see our, no matter how I shift, how I use the ruler. So let's say for instance now I specify this kind of position in another element like our legend element. Let's see if it's going to work with our legend element position. When we give it position fixed. When I give it position fixed, firstly let's reload our document, and after reloading it, let's drag. Can you see now we are able to see our, can you see our legend element? So that's what I want you guys to, even if it's a icon tag also, we give position fixed. Let's reload our document. You are going to see, can you see, no matter how we drag, we will be able to see the anchor tag because it's going to stay at that static place we specify by ourselves. So as you can see, we are able to see our, so that's benefit of using the position fixed. So either you use left or right and bottom and top property also with it, it doesn't matter. Just use it. When you use it, it's going to fix the element at that same spot. It's never going to shift or disappear from the screen. That's the main benefit of using the position fix. So I think you guys are able to understand this very well. So I don't want us to get confused. That's why I'm doing all this for us now. So let me remove this one so everything can look nice again. Now my document is looking nice now. So we can do more with this. I think we are done for now. Let us meet in the next tutorial. And while I go there, I invest many once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day.